Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really special. It's actually a very short video and I really want to share with you guys because I don't have too much video in my storage. So this one of the videos that I want to share with you. And yeah, it's oil painting and it's freehand. I didn't even draw first. Please subscribe my channel guys, and I'm so glad if you subscribe my channel. Okay, and thank you to watch my video. And yeah, it's pretty cool drawing and I love to watch this video. I'm currently watching because I'm actually editing this one. But yeah, it's cool, pretty cool. Okay, bye.